This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block a person on Pinterest using a desktop or laptop. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Pinterest here. Okay, I've got my browser opened up and I am logged into Pinterest. To block a person on Pinterest, first thing you need to do is find their profile page. You can use the search bar right up here. And then you just locate it. I'm just going to pick a random person here. And this is this person's profile page right here. And if I wanted to block this person, I would click on the three-dot hamburger menu off to the right side here. And right here, block. I'll click on block. Now it asks me, am I sure if I want to block this person? Then I would click on block again. And that is how you block a person on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.